Welcome to the tropical rainforest. The average rainfall in the tropical rainforest is 50 to 260 inches of rain per year.
The average humidity is 77 to 88%. The average temperature is 68 to 93 degrees Fahrenheit.
Did you know that the rainforest trees produce 40% of the Earth's oxygen? The rainforest has 4 layers. The first layer is the emergent tree layer. The second layer is the upper canopy. The third layer is the understory. The last layer is the forest floor.
Looked up for the fear trap beneath the chandeliers going down.
Here's a short video about some of the animals that live in the tropical rainforest.
Close-up camera one.
Tropical rainforests can be found in Queensland, Australia, New Guinea, Indo-Malaysia, the west coast of India, Assam, Southeast Asia, some parts of West Madagascar, a small area in West Africa, in Africa near the Zar River Basin, and in Central America near the Amazon River Basin. Rainforests cover only 6% of the Earth's surface.
I've been trying to do it right. I've been living a lonely life. I've been sleeping here instead. I've been sleeping in my bed. Sleeping in my bed. So show me family, all the blood that I will bleed. I don't know what